Using AdCreative AI for starters is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Visit the AdCreative AI website and sign up for an account. You may need to provide your email address and create a password. Once logged in, explore the available templates for different types of ad creatives, such as static images, videos, carousels, and more. These templates are pre-designed layouts that you can customize with your content. Choose a template that best fits your advertising goals and the platform you're targeting. For example, if you're creating a Facebook ad, select a template optimized for Facebook. After selecting a template, customize it with your content. This may include adding images, text, logos, and other elements relevant to your ad campaign. Follow the prompts and instructions provided by AdCreative AI to edit the template. You can usually click on different elements of the template to replace or modify them. Once you've customized the creative, preview it to see how it will appear to your audience. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure that the creative looks professional and aligns with your brand. After finalizing the creative, download or export it to your computer. AdCreative AI typically provides options to download the creative in various formats, such as PNG, JPEG, or MP4, depending on the type of creative you've selected. Finally, upload the downloaded creative to the advertising platform you're using, such as Facebook Ads Manager, Google Ads, or Instagram Ads. Follow the platform's instructions for creating a new ad campaign and upload the creative as part of your ad assets. Once your ad campaign is live, monitor the performance of your creatives using the analytics provided by the advertising platform. Use this data to optimize your creatives and improve the effectiveness of your ad campaigns over time.